Hey, man. What are you doing?
Never mind.
What do you mean, never mind? What's all that stuff on your screen?
It's trading. I'm just trading.
Trading? Like online?
Yes.
Wait, trading what?
Forex and other stuff?
You're trading Forex?
Yeah. Why?
Because, it's bad.
Says who?
Everybody?
Name one person who told you that.
I don't know. The internet?
Oh, the internet told you.
Shut up! Okay, hotshot. Show me what you're trading.
Will you go away if I do?
Maybe.
Okay, so right now I'm trading currencies, which is the same as Forex. It's just another name.
Like what? The dollar?
Yes, for example, look. I just bought $40,000.
40,000? Since when do you have so much money?
I don't. It only cost me $100.
Back up, back up. How is this possible?
I trade with leverage, see? I can multiply my investment up to 400 times using leverage. And if the value of the $40,000 goes up, I get to keep it.
And if it goes down, you lose?
You are so smart.
Shut up. But why do I need this? I can just go to the change place down the street and buy my dollars there.
I take it back. You're not so smart.
Ha ha ha. Why is that?
Because, first of all, the change place will not sell you $40,000 for just $100. And secondly, where will you put all that money? Carry it around with you?
Okay, Mr. Smart. Where do you keep your $40,000? Online?
No, I don't store them anywhere. I don't even own them.
Okay, now you're just playing with me.
No, I'm not. Listen, online trading is done through CFDs. You invest in the price of something going up or down. The outcome is the same, but there's no need to physically hold or store anything. If I want to invest in barrels of oil, I don't need to get a warehouse to store them.
I know a good guy with a storage place if you want to.
No, thanks. I'm good. Are we done here?
Not even close. How did you learn all that? I've known you since forever, and you're not the financial whiz you're pretending to be.
I'm not. I just went online, and the company that runs the software showed me how. They were really nice, too. They'll even be nice to someone like you. Finally. Where are you going?
To get some cash from your wallet.
What? No!